What if one day could shape the future? What if passion could turn into a profession? On March 15th, 2025, 26 young minds embarked on a journey that redefined learning. Welcome to Passion to Profession, a day as a scientist, a day where research meets innovation. A great scientist begins with a great question. Dr. Dalmayer introduced students to the essence of research, how to explore, analyze, and structure a study. And what is research without impact? Dr. Deepti guided students on how to publish their work in prestigious international and national journals. At Excel, research is not just about gathering data. It is about thinking, designing, and creating solutions using the power of 7 C's in Excel's Design Thinking Network. It all begins with a concept, choosing a real-world problem to solve. With a focused concentration, students developed research questionnaires to collect meaningful insights. Then, they collaborated with peers, communicated ideas, and connected their thoughts with real-world data using both primary and secondary research methods. Numbers tell a story. Through deep analysis, they uncovered patterns, trends, and answers. But research does not stop at analysis. In the creation phase, they built solutions, formulated theories, and shaped their discoveries into knowledge. Every great discovery deserves to be shared. Students presented their research findings, defending their ideas with logic and confidence. And the final step, contribution. These young researchers are now preparing their work for global recognition. 26 students, 5 disciplines, 1 mission: to turn passion into profession. To those who missed it, this was more than a day. It was a transformation, a movement. Will you be part of it next time?